Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my tutorials. During my today's tutorials, short tutorials actually, I will teach you how to use Procreate in a very simple way, how to ease your painting process and how to turn your paintings into even more beautiful paintings. I hope you're ready. If so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's paint together. During our today's class, I'm gonna teach you how to create stem brush in Procreate, and this is so simple. I already prepared for you some texture, I paint that, and we're gonna use it today for our illustration. So the first step that we need to do is we're gonna go to our texture and I will press copy. Next step is I'll create one more layer just in case, and I will go to brushes and I will tap plus. Okay, now we are ready. Next step, we need to go to shape, tap edit, import and tap paste. Ta-da! So that's our stamp. I like how it looks. You can just move it like this or move it this way. And guys, if you tap down and you see you will keep it like that, you will keep it white, you will see that we have just a rectangle, but we don't actually have our stamps. So keep that in mind. Tap edit and tap with two fingers like that. So now we selected our strokes. You can scatter it, and in this way the stem will be not that straight, so I won't use it. And the next step that we should do is we go to the stroke path and move your space until maximum, because if you do it like move it closer, you see you will have the overlappings and it creates this blurry feeling. So space until maximum. And guys, you also might go to jitter and increase the size. That means that you will have smaller and bigger stamps, but I want to control the opacity and the size of my stamp, so I won't use it, but you can of course if you want. Next step is, let me just clear it. You see, if I press lighter, the stamp will not be visible. If I press harder, it will be very solid and dark. Turn the opacity down. And now if I press lighter, I still have very dark strokes and I like it. So let's clear that. Next step, we go to properties and we need to tap use stamp preview. Next step, maximum size. I want to make it bigger, so I will move it to 560. I will move the preview size a little bit down. Next, about the brush, you might rename your brush. Write something like stem brush. And if you like, you can even sign your name. Done. So this is the stem brush that we created. Let's just try it. And I'll just set it here. I can increase the size, it will be bigger. If you want, you can increase it even more. So let's go to the properties, increase the maximum size till 1000. And you see it's so big. So how can we use the stem brush? I'll show you. Like that. Okay, now the heart is pretty dark. I want to use it like that. So what I will do, I will go to the adjustments, press hue, saturation, brightness, tap layer and turn the brightness to maximum. Now our heart is not visible at all, but that's completely fine. Next, I will go and press select. So now we have our selected area and I want to fill the heart with some pretty light pink color like this. Okay, I selected our heart. Next step is I will go and grab our stamp brush by Boo, dark color, yeah. And after we just use the stamp and our heart looks very beautiful. Now we can deselect our heart. Ta-da! So this is the way how can you use stamp brushes, and now you know more how to actually make stamp brushes. I hope that was useful. Guys, if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new tutorial. Bye bye!